How to fix the GCash app error OT50. So let's start. So firstly you have to go into your phone settings. From here scroll down and go in the general. Now from here go in the iPhone storage, and if you are in the Android you have to go into your app management settings. From here you have to again scroll down and you have to search for the GCash app. So once you are in, you have to click on the offload app, and here is the option to offload the app. You have to tap on it. Now basically you have to clear the cache of your GCash application. So once you're done with it, you have to go back and go into your app store or the play store that you are using, and from here you have to search for the GCash. Now here you have to click on it and make sure that you are using the latest version of your GCash app. So once you're done with it, you just have to open it, and here you have to refresh your app, and if it's still not fixed you just have to reinstall your app by uninstall it and again install it. And that's how you can fix the GCash app error OT50. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.